move your little fat
Stop
ass,
it.
man.
Don't be
Okay,
doing that.
I try.
Like, it's not funny no more, okay?
It's not funny. That's not a word.
Damn.
It's gonna be funny when me get this
What?
little 4-inch though. You know you ain't getting none of this. Sure, I chat, man. You don't know yo, I'm a general, you know. Shark got me name, me dig up me I say.
Don't, like, you work for it, I'm not gonna lie, but don't think it's that easy, okay?
Baby girl, I know we're just meeting, but you know I'm gonna sample that, right? Whatever, I don't care. You know what? Pour me some drink. I need something to drink, like something strong. Huh? Oh, you say you want some drink? Yeah, some liquor. I want some liquor.
Okay. Like,
Got your fine ass.
you're so dumb. Okay, I'm coming out. I got you.
Thank you.
Pretty, watch out.
You're sexy.
You're so dumb, Tabizzle.
Here you go, baby.
Pretty, watch out.
You're sexy. Me Jesus!
Huh?
Yo. What's the name of this? This is so uppity, baby. Like this sexy at all. This is so fucking uppity. What's the name of it? What's the name of it? Pussy. Me Jesus! Repeat that. Repeat what you just. What's the name of the? It's the name of the drink is pussy. Pussy. Yeah. Me Jesus. You know a long time I say yeah disrespect man. You know. This is from the other day you want man yeah try man you make man a drink pussy. Hey put my hey girl. I disrespect bad man you know. The other day I give you a chance you know. I'm tell you say pour me a drink come and give me a pussy. You know me no want to them. Hey listen up now you know. Me ask you for a drink you come and give man pussy for drink. Man I put pump in my mouth. Sometimes yeah this bad man you can't give man pussy. Hey girl you can't give man pussy for drink. Cause I'm the man. I don't want none of that shit. Bad man no drink pussy.